Hey, what's up, Kelly? Quick demo video for you for your Roman props, MK1 with Rudy Pando chamber. So I really appreciate your patience with this. As you know, when you initially sent this, the name on the package did not match any of the messages I had in my business suite messenger. And usually that's how I match stuff up when it comes in the mail. I had waited about a week to hear from you. I didn't because you were just waiting on me to finish the install. You're giving me some space. So I had sent this back and I didn't install it because I didn't know who it belonged to. But after you got it back, you reached out to me. You were very gracious and sent it back. I actually got this yesterday, so I went straight to town on it and I got it done this afternoon. Okay, this is installed with a CFX. It's a 2-button setup. So under this bubble strip here, the front piece will be your activation, and then the back here will be your auxiliary. You'll be able to feel that when you get it. What else? You've got Shtok V3s in here for your main Neopixel connector. This is set up for a recessed blade though, so you'll need to have somebody make you a recessed blade. I don't have any thin wall material at the moment, and that's what it takes to get that in there. Okay. How you get to everything is you just want to unscrew the pommel. You do not want to unscrew the booster section. It was a very tight fit to get a CFX in here. I've got a lot of wires hidden underneath the booster section, but everything you need is right here from the pommel. Right. So if you take this pommel off, this pommel will actually come off in 2 pieces if you're not careful. The end cap and then the main piece. So what I did is I put a little bit of glue on the threads to keep everything just nice and tight. I aligned the C for the cold sink knob, so when it's screwed in, everything lines up properly. But when you take that off, this is what you'll see. So you've got access to your SD card and your micro USB from here. You've got a kill switch, and then a 1.3 millimeter recharge port. So what you want to do is just come over here and flip the kill switch. Right now this has the stock font package on it. You hear that fire up, so we'll go ahead and we'll screw this pommel back on. Stock font package, 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker. It's about right here in the Saber, and this slit right here is most of your sound venting. So that's where that sound comes out. All right, but activation up here. See that all your LEDs are firing up. Nice smooth swing. If we wanted to change color, hold down aux and twist the Saber. You hear that? And then you can just twist the Saber and cycle through different colors. Try to find a blue. That looks like blue, and it will hit power. When we turn it back on, it's a blue plate. Just like that. Now for your Rudy chamber, take your grenade section and twist it clockwise just a hair, and then pull it straight up. And then twist it counterclockwise to lock it in place. You gave me the stock Rudy chamber, so it is the crystal that comes with the chamber, and it matches your blade, right? We'll turn this off here for a second. Although it has 1 crystal, I gave you 2 pixel accents. So there's one on the bottom here that you don't see, and of course there's another one here on the top that you'll never see as well. That is just so you'll get some nice even lighting on that crystal when we fire it up. Everything looks nice and bright. Hold down auxiliary for blade lockup. This is all wireless, so when the chamber is exposed, you're not going to have any lights up here, right? Until you come back here, push the grenade section back down, and lock it back down in place. And now these are firing up again. And that's how that works. To get to another sound font, just hold down aux.
Sound bank selection. Crystal focus. Crystal focus.
Nebula.
When you find one you like, just hold down a button. Now we're on that one. Again. We can cycle through different colors. You want a green. And we got a green blade. And of course you got a green crystal too, right? we'll lock that back down, and everything fires up. Just like that. And when you're all done with it, CFX does have a deep sleep, so you can leave it alone if you want to. It's just best practice to go ahead and come over here and take the pommel off so that we can flip the kill switch. And then while we're at it, I'll show you that it's killing power like it should, right? So we'll turn it on again. Come over here and flip that switch. And it cuts everything off just like it should. So that is basically your MK1. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will get this out in the mail to you by tomorrow. All right? Thanks.